gagawin natin kapag naging victim po tayo ng scam? One, stop communicating. Huwag na kayo makipag-usap. Okay? Huwag nyo nang itry kunin yung pera, let's say, na na-scam sa inyo. Kasi kapag may mga cases po, Ate Cecil, o para makuha mo itong pera, magpadala ka ulit ng ganito. Maraming ganyan po. So don't stop communicating with them. If alam mo medyo na, if you feel that you are being scammed, let us know. Seek advice. We'll help you. Okay? You are not alone. Nandito kami. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy to seek advice. Okay? If ever po, yung mga documents and details, i-save ninyo. Kung sa phone, print screen yung usapan and so on and so forth para meron kayong kopya. And then report the matter to the relevant authorities. Meron po tayong anti-deception ng police sa anti-deception hotline. Tawagan niyo yun if you feel na na-scam kayo. They will advise you further kung anong pwedeng gawin. And report the matter to the police. Okay? Additional reminder to the community, if ever you lost your ID or your bank card or anything, that is very important, with your identification, Hong Kong identity number, and so on and so forth. Report the matter to the relevant authorities immediately. Make the necessary protection in terms of your self. Like what I said, meron akong case before na nahawakan na nangyari is nawala yung kanyang ID. Ayun pala, naggamit to open an account to launder money. Pero ang ginawa niya, nireport niya yung situation sa police. With that, nakita ng police na totoo yung sinabi niya na after mawala ng Hong Kong ID niya, na nireport niya yun na nawala on that day, at yung pagbukas ng bank account is napatunayan na hindi talaga siya yun. At nawala talaga yung ID. Hindi po siya nakasuhan. So kapag may mga nawala, again, make the necessary report. Okay? Huwag na po na pumunta sa Facebook kasi iba sa atin, naintindihan natin sa Facebook, baka ma-retrieve natin. Before doing that or post or ihanapin natin sa Facebook kung sino nakakita, ang una natin gawin, go to the relevant authorities, make the necessary report. Okay? Huwag po kayo mahihiya to report the matter immediately. And if ever po, if you have any questions, please feel free to share it via the comment section. We'll be happy to answer it in our next webinar. Marami pa tayong pwedeng i-discuss, marami pa tayong pwedeng i-clarify. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Kung gusto niyo pong advice, please do not hesitate to contact us. Nandiyan po ang ating WhatsApp, nasa baba. Pwede nyo pa kaming kontakin or pwede nyo kaming kontakin sa landline ng 25234020. And then, ang help po, nagpiprovide po tayo ng free trainings, Kung gusto niyo, meron tayong kontakin nyo lang din kami. And then, we also provide free mental well-being counseling, So, meron na po tayong Filipino na practitioner na pwedeng kumausap sa inyo kung kinakailangan. So, again, wag po kayo mahiya. If you have any concern, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. And again, thank you so much po and have a lovely afternoon, everyone.
Keep safe, everyone. Bye-bye. God bless us all.